How are we doing? Good evening. Right, it's been a bit of a chilly weekend. I'm a bit later getting into the bathroom than I wanted to be. So, bit of rum today. Fancy something with a little bit of spice. This is Lather Brothers, Caballero, South Florida Bay rum. I've used this brush all week, but I re-knotted it yesterday. I didn't re-knot it, I put the knot back into it, I pulled it, lifted it a couple of mil, and then put it back in. It's my RazoRock 400 aluminium with an Oumo super high density badger in it. The knot came out easy enough. I just went the wood stove on yesterday, so I just put the brush on top of the stove. That's for an hour. You couldn't even hold the handle, and the knot just tweaked out. The glue had softened enough. Got it all cleaned out and re-knotted. So it's the width of a 10p piece higher, the loft. Razor, new one. Well, I've had it in the bathroom a few weeks. Haven't used it on camera before. It's a DE89 by Edwin Jagger Jagger, however you want to pronounce it, from Sheffield. This is the Kelvin version. This is off Amazon. At the time I bought it, it cost me a whole £12.80. The price goes up and down. Then over about £15. It's a short handle. It's an edition that's made purely for Amazon. So it's a 3-piece, non-adjustable. Shape's fine. In there, got a Super Shave X on its 4th use, which will probably beat its last. These blades are quite good. I'm not using the spoiler tonight because it's in the bin. It died. It went to spoiler heaven. So there's the razor put together. There's a little bit of overhang, plastic washer, and the short handle's quite nice. The knurling on it. Basically your basic DE89 just with a shorter handle. £12, what's that? €15, $15. Had a little bit of water sitting on top of the soap, a teaspoon or so for 5 minutes, and I've had the brush soaking. Oh, that's better. So it'll be interesting to see how this knot performs now it's been raised a little. It's been raised. I raised it for the baby. Anybody interested? Yesterday's golf was pretty good. Shot 1 over par. Today was shite. I was thinking it. Crazy game. So I'm not going to run out of soap. Yeah, pretty good load in that. Plenty left on here. So everybody and the dog, and even some dogs, noticed the shaving videos over the weekend on Sunday night. YouTube seems to be inundated with them. So this video, along with anything else in the future, I'm probably going to schedule releases for 8 AM UK time on a Monday morning. So anything recorded over the weekend. This video that will drop on the Monday morning. It also means I haven't got to rush with the editing. What little I do. Yeah, I think we've increased the splay slightly, but we've still got a decent amount of backbone. So I used it all week in the shorter format before I pulled it, and it was okay, it could have been better. It didn't take much to get the glue cleaned off the handle and everything else. So there we go. I'll probably spend 5 minutes more putting water into the lather, but the first pass it will do. So, Edwin Jagger DE89 Kelvin edition. You can see it's a dinky little handle. Hang on. Yeah, it's about 3 inches. With a Super Shave X Platinum. Anybody new to the channel? Hello. I normally shave in the afternoon, but today we got waylaid with the game of rugby, and we've got the decorators coming in tomorrow to decorate part of the house. So somebody thought it would be a good idea to do a bit of pre-decorated decorating. I gave up a long time ago trying to work out how those minds work, but yeah, so that's been this afternoon. Not an aggressive razor, far from it. So not expensive. At this sort of price, it would not be the ideal holiday razor, really, if you like short handle, as long as you don't mind the short handle. That's for, I think it's £15 at the moment. It doesn't matter if it gets lost, stolen, the threads go on it, it'll be a Zamak head. Even with my beard, which isn't the thinnest, this razor's coped really, really well. I said this edition is made purely for Amazon. Such as their buying power. So, an example of that is I've got a Samsung mobile phone, but it's Amazon retail only. It was India's best selling Samsung, but it wasn't available in Europe, so Amazon imported it. Got full global support of Samsung. It's not Amazoned up, it's stock out of the box. There's no Amazon links to it, no Amazon shopping, it's not full of Amazon spamware. And that's the buying power that company's got. That's there purely for some of my subscribers who just love it when I get the soap on the nose. You know who you are. I'll have their OCD kicking off. Got to work on that quite easily. However, let's just dip the tips. Yeah, spray is far easier now. just thinking, I haven't got any post shave sorted out. I haven't even thought about it. Too busy setting lights up and here we go. £12.80 razor, $15. 3 days of growth, very comfortable shave. Yeah, still eating lather, but it's nowhere near as bad as it was. Yeah, pretty good. Right, face wash, and then back for the post shave once I get some out of the cupboard. See you in a minute. Warm water, some chilly Scottish water, so it's getting a bit chilly. Got the brush cleaned up and everything else. Post shave, it's my DIY 2-phase. You can see it's in 2 different levels. It's a mixture of Mersol aqua balsamic, Mersol rose, I think it is. Or is it the pink one, the plastic? And some argan oil. But yeah. So it's my DIY shake and splash. Shake it to mix it. There's a bit of alcohol, a bit of aftershave splash, and then the argan oil kicks in. And, yeah, works quite well. Soaks in quite nicely, and the 2 bottles were both running up. All 3 bottles were getting down to the same sort of level, so I had an old Nivea bottle, so I just mixed them up. I thought, see what it's like. So that's mixed about 70%, 30%. If you're interested in making your own Nivea 2-phase, quite similar. You could even add menthol crystals to it, I reckon. Right, so that's the post shave done. It's all done. So what I used today was the RazoRock Aluminium 400, but with a super high density badge nut in it from Oumo, which lathered up. Lather Brothers Caballero, which is the Bay Rum type of scent. Doesn't actually tell you what the scent notes of it are. I don't think it's made anymore, but I do like a Bay Rum. And the razor was the Edwin Jagger DE89 Kelvin edition with a 3-inch handle. Yeah, no problems at all. Nice. So, travel razor, brilliant. It's not going to rip you apart. It just offers a comfortable, clean shave. That's it, folks. If you have any comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.